How to turn on or turn off private session on Spotify. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off private session on Spotify easy and fast. First thing, go to Spotify. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner right here and click on the wheel option right here. Now go down and search for it right here. Now just keep going down, and here is it, the private session. You can turn it on or turn it off as you want. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.